Hello, Facebook. Hi, everybody. Jamie here. It is the night before New Year's Eve. It is Thursday evening, and hope everybody is doing well. I hope you've had a nice week. Sorry I wasn't on Tuesday or Wednesday. We have had a crazy busy week here, and we have been running around. We have a new Airbnb property that we are hosting, so we've been running around getting stuff for the new Airbnb. We have been crazy busy, so hope you are all doing well. Hope you are getting some fresh air, getting out there, walking, continuing to take your vitamin C and vitamin D, add zinc to your vitamins as well. Get lots of fresh air, and as we know, COVID cases are rising a little bit, so just make sure you are taking care of yourself out there. So hello everybody for joining me. Hello. Hi Linda. If you are watching me live, if you can put #live in the comments. If you are watching on the replay, #replay. Hi Linda. Hi Kathy. Hello Melissa. Give me a thumbs up if you are watching me. So I thought I would do something fun and easy for New Year's Eve. It is the time that champagne and bubbles are flowing, and everybody is looking for bubbles on champagne. I love bubbles, so I know tomorrow night I will be drinking some bubbles. So hopefully you are all set and planned for your New Year's Eve. We do still have a few reservations here available at Aroma Time, so if you'd like to join us for dinner, we do have a couple of New Year's Eve boxes left. So if you would like a box, you can check out our website and everything that comes in the box. And I just need to know by about 10 o'clock tomorrow morning, but you can always get a New Year's Eve box so you can bring dinner home. There is a Method Champenois champagne style from White Cliff and a bottle of wine from White Cliff. That gets paid to White Cliff directly, and White Cliff will deliver it here so you can pick it all up together. And the food is going to be awesome. There's appetizers, dinner, dessert, breakfast the next morning. It's a great, awesome deal. So if you are staying home for New Year's and you want us to do the cooking for you, just give us a call, 845-647-3000 to place your order for your New Year's Eve box. But we do have reservations available still here at Aroma Time, so please call, make a reservation. We'd love to have you join us. Last seating is at 7:30 tomorrow evening. If you are in the area, want to stop in for a drink after 7:30, please do. We will be here sitting at the bar and relaxing and just enjoying the rest of the evening. So hello from Cape May. Hi Laura, how are you? Hello Mike. Thank you everybody for watching me. I appreciate it. Our new $9.99 special this week is a chicken and rice. So it is a bone-in thigh chicken and rice with a cumin blanc, rub on it. And that is our $9.99 special. And let's see, what else? Actually, give me 1 second. I have a delivery here. I'm doing my Facebook Live. Give me 1 second. We have flowers being delivered. So anyway, let's see. What else do I need to share with you? We are closed on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. We are open all weekend. We will be open on New Year's Day. So please come and join us on New Year's Day. We're open all weekend. And let's see. I think that's it. So let me go ahead and make my drink. So I'm going to start with a little bit of honey on my glass. You can use agave, you can use water. I'm going to use honey. Thank you. Sorry I sent a message.
No, anytime, do it.
Okay.
Yeah.
I was like, oh my gosh.
Nothing wrong with checking the
Perfect.
flowers.
Thank you so much. All right, so I've rimmed the glass. I'm going to dip it into my sugar. So look at that, my fun organic sugar. I am going to add some Prosecco. You can put this on the rocks, you can not have it on the rocks. So a little Prosecco, no sugar. And Cooper's Daughter Black Currant Liqueur. And I'm just going to drop a little bit of that into my drink. You don't have to rim the glass. One of the things that I wanted to do this year is add more garnishes, so kind of just makes it fun and pretty. I'm going to add a little bit more Prosecco and a little splash. And you can make it as, you can put a little bit, you can put a lot. You make it how you would like it to taste. I'm going to add a little bit more Prosecco, and there you have it. So let's go ahead and give it a taste and see how it is. Cooper's Daughter, they make some awesome stuff. I've used their pumpkin. We have their maple cookie. That is delicious. Yummy. Very nice drink. So there we have it. Hello, everybody. Hi, Keith. Hi, Sven. Hi, Anna. Hello, Colleen. Lots of people on tonight, so thank you for watching me. I really appreciate it. Again, our $9.99 special from today until Monday is a cumin, lime, cilantro chicken with rice to go. Our regular menu is available as well, so please give us a call, 845-647-3000 to place your order. We are open tomorrow night. We have limited reservations available, and please, if you know that you're going to be ordering to go, please give us a call ahead of time. We do have a very large to-go order tomorrow night as well, so we just want to make sure we space it all out for our kitchen. And that is it. I will be on tomorrow. If I don't see you tomorrow on, Happy New Year, enjoy, and remember, set some goals. And oh, thank you, Happy New Year, Sven, to you as well. Set your goals, and remember, the new year starts, and your page starts fresh, and build a great life out there, and have a wonderful year. I will catch everyone tomorrow. Bye.